Okay, today we're going to talk about how to get on 10 meters with a mobile installation. We're going to show the radio, we're going to show the antenna, we're going to show the antenna mount, how to tune it for 10 meter, and also what to keep in your car so you can take the antenna off and on conveniently so you don't break it trying to go into parking garages. The radio we'll be using is a Yaesu FT8901 at 100 watts using SSB.
Enjoy the rest of the day and go the extra, Joe. Also have the opportunity to contact you in the future. Whiskey 4 Alpha Charlie X-ray from 34 Romeo Zulu.
Roger, Roger, 7-3. I'll talk to you hopefully again soon, 7-3.
Okay, 73.
The antenna we'll be using is a CB antenna called a Firefly, and we're going to tune it for 28.400 megahertz. The key to doing that is to remove the lock nut from the tuning tip, which you'll see here. So you want to remove the plastic cover that goes over the tuning tip, and you're going to fully unscrew the tuning tip and remove it, and then that'll let you remove the lock nut, which will allow you to screw the tuning tip back in all the way down to the rubber washer, which will make it short enough for 10 meters. Now you want to make sure that you save the lock nut just in case you need to make the antenna electrically longer again, because SWR may vary depending on where you are and how you mount it. But you always want to make sure you test the SWR with the plastic cover over the tip of the antenna, because that will affect the SWR. The antenna mount we're using is a Diamond Super Gainer K400. We have the mount, it's a trunk mount attached to the front hood of the vehicle, and the wire, antenna wire runs through the firewall to the base unit of the FT891. And here you see how it looks on the vehicle. You will have to probably remove it when you go into indoor parking garages. I've whacked it on a couple garage doors along the way, but it's held up pretty good.
Contact. Enjoy the rest of the day and go the extra, Joe. Also have the opportunity to contact you in the future. Whiskey 4 Alpha Charlie X-ray from 34 Romeo Zulu.
Roger, Roger, 7-3. I'll talk to you hopefully again soon, 7-3.
Okay, 73.